This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting power at the breaker and confirming with a non-contact tester so you can work safely. Once done, position a stable ladder and lay a drop cloth to catch debris. Remove any glass or bulb first. This reduces weight and injury risk. Unscrew visible screws or decorative trim while supporting the fixture with one hand. Keep hardware in a small container. Make sure to use the tester again if you see wires. Safety first. Then steady your grip to start loosening the mount. Once the fixture is free from its trim, you support it and bring the junction box into view. Carefully remove the wire nuts while keeping the fixture from falling. You should document wire positions, take a quick photo, or label wires, because correct reconnection matters. After loosening, separate the fixture wires from house wiring and cap each exposed conductor with a twist-on wire connector. This prevents shorts. If metal mounting hardware is attached to ground, unfasten it last. Make sure nothing is live by rechecking with your tester before proceeding. You finish by unscrewing the mounting bracket and removing any remaining screws holding the fixture to the junction box. Lift the box cover or bracket out and set aside. Inspect wiring for frays and ensure the box is secure. Clean dust and old caulk so the next fixture seats flat. Restore breaker only after all exposed conductors are capped and tucked. If you encounter damaged wires, loose box mounts, or any doubt, shut power immediately and contact a licensed electrician. Do not improvise with compromised wiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.